Hello, everyone. Well, with a cold front arriving late this afternoon and early this evening, we are expecting scattered showers and storms in southeast Nebraska, and there's a small chance that a couple of these storms could be severe. So let's start things at 4 o'clock this afternoon, because until 4 o'clock, I think it's going to be completely dry. And I still think the vast majority of us are going to be dry at 4 o'clock, but as early as 4 o'clock, I'll mention the chance for a stray shower or two starting to pop up. High temperatures today, largely topping out in the mid-80s, and there will be a light breeze around this afternoon with gusts around 15 miles per hour. It's around 6 o'clock that I think things are going to start to get a little more interesting, because this is when the cold front is going to start to push in. Now, along this front, most likely all we're going to see are regular thunderstorms. Heavy rain, lightning, which comes with every thunderstorm. But there are just enough ingredients where it is possible that a couple of the storms that form today could produce wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Now, the earlier the front arrives, the more likely it'll be able to produce severe storms. So that's why for today, I'm most concerned about places like Grand Island, York, Columbus, Fullerton. You have the best chance of seeing severe storms. It's far from a guarantee, but if we're going to see severe storms, it's more likely to the north and west versus the south and east. So the farther south and east you live in southeastern Nebraska, the less likely it is that you're going to see severe storms. The chance isn't zero for anyone, but it is greatest around Grand Island, Fullerton, Columbus, and York. Because look what happens when we jump to 8 o'clock. Notice it doesn't look quite as impressive. I'm still going to keep in the chance for severe storms around 7, 8 o'clock around Lincoln and Omaha, but it is less likely, most likely, just some heavy rain and lightning. And notice it is going to be a combination of showers and storms, so it might not even be a thunderstorm. Lincoln and Omaha, that is a possibility. So the chance of severe storms, small, but not quite zero, but I do think the chance of severe storms is going away by 10 o'clock this evening. And notice the activity continuing to die down. In fact, by the time we get to midnight, I think at this point we're just talking about some isolated showers and maybe 1 or 2 weak storms around. And as we go through the night, there's just going to be less and less. That said, I don't want to keep the rain chance at 0 for the morning commute. There could still be a stray shower or 2 around that Friday morning commute, but I think most of us will be dry. And then by the late morning on Friday, we will be completely dry. And I think the early afternoon on Friday is going to be completely dry. But in the late afternoon, some new activity is going to start to fire up. Now, we are going to be on the cool side of the front tomorrow, but it's still going to be near us. So that's why the rain chance is still going to continue. But notice how we're not as warm tomorrow. High temperatures are going to be in the low 80s, upper 70s, but still enough humidity and enough warmth that we're going to see new showers and storms. But I'm not worried about any severe storms tomorrow because we're on the cool side of the front. Yes, some storms, but no more potential for damaging wind or hail. So the chance beginning about 4 o'clock in the afternoon for new showers and storms. By the way, also breezy tomorrow afternoon, a little bit more wind than today. We'll call it gusts around 20 miles per hour. But I think the better chance of rain is going to be after 4 o'clock. And I want to stop things at 7 o'clock because this is Friday dinner plans. And notice, we're talking about scattered showers and storms being around. So a heads up for Friday evening plans, rain is a possibility.